All right, kid, here we are, the Embassy Suites in Bowling Green, Kentucky, room 504. Let's take a tour. So this is a pretty new hotel in a new part of downtown, or not downtown, excuse me, part of Bowling Green. We'll see when you look out the window, there's still a lot of stuff being constructed here. But Embassy Suites, so it does have the separate room and bedroom. So we'll start here with the room. I had to do a little bit of work when I first got here, so got that plugged out or plugged in and whatnot. But here we are, the coffee maker we have coffee bean and tea leaf, and so here is the decaf. So we do have a wet bar, so does work, and this does detach, so if you want to rinse out a dish or something, that's possible. Down below here we do have a mini fridge along with 2 complimentary bottles of water, and that says here just for being a Hilton Honors member. Everybody gets that, so regardless of status, which my status is not very high here. So microwave in the drawer. Okay, I didn't even check, but nothing in the drawer. Let's go ahead. So move on over here to the living room. We do have I believe it's going to be, yep, sofa sleeper. So sofa sleeper. We do have some interesting artwork. Not bad. Not kind of the standard that you see at most places, I think. A little bit different. We get some more artwork over there. We do have outlet over on this side, as well as, I kind of had it covered up, but there are outlets right there, and there's outlets on this side as well. So plenty of outlets here in the living room. Let's take a look here at the TV. So we do see we have live TV, Netflix. Showtime is free. And then you have Tubi for free, because that's always free. And then looks like iHeartRadio. We do have some more, so that's the entertainment section here. So you can get some of these things. So plenty of options there. Netflix, you do have to have your own subscription for it, but they will just let you log in on here. So while we're waiting, let's just go to live TV. We'll take a look at the outside. So the grounds here are pretty nice. A lot of greenery, plenty of sitting area outside there. You can see it's a pretty decent sized hotel. There is some kind of a convention going on. Let's see if we can spy a little bit about what's going on. No, I can't really see anything, but they do have a convention going on there, or some kind of a meeting anyway. There's a parking lot out back. You can see there are buildings under construction out there in the distance. So again, pretty new situation here, and I just want to see what the let's see what the picture looks like. I have not turned on the television, so I don't know. On the remote, I guess I'll give you this here. There's not like, I guess this is channel up. Yeah. Okay. So that does work the channels up and down. I don't know what the left and right, that doesn't really do anything. But picture's decent, I guess. Can't really get anything to show you. Let's see what Back to the Future Part 2 looks like, if it's not on commercial. So yeah, it looks pretty standard. It's kind of washed out with the, let's close this off and see if that's any, get a better idea. So yeah, pretty good picture. You do absolutely have to have the curtains drawn here in the middle of the day, or you're not going to see anything. Let's go on in here. Wasted enough time out there, but we do have the bathroom. So here we are with 0 products, hand soap and lotion. Here in the bathroom, or in the shower, and bathtub, we do have shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Overall, pretty clean. Again, you would expect it from being a new place. We do have, with that said, we do have a little bit of stuff over there. Overall, though pretty solid. Again, some minor discoloration or stuff over there, but whatever. Let's go on in here to the bedroom. The bedroom is where this thermostat is. The thermostat, the lowest is 67, so I was not able to go lower than that. Kind of a bummer, but it's okay, I guess, in here. We'll see what it looks like at night. Another television, same size as the one out there. Solid size, solid picture. I'm assuming I didn't turn it on, but we do have outlets over here at the little vanity section. As far as the queen size beds go, there's no outlet over here on this side. There is one here on this side as well as on this, right? So 2 outlets for each in the middle. And then it does have, next to the reading light, it does have its own USB. So there is a way to at least charge your phone if that's what we're looking for, and that's frankly what most people are looking for by the bed. Over here in the closet, we do see we have an in-room safe. We have plenty of hangers. And then we have an iron and an ironing board, as well as extra bedding for that sleeper sofa. So, I did want to show you outside here. There's not a whole lot of like business in the area, like restaurants. I mean, there is one here on site. I'm trying to see where you can get the best glimpse here. Yeah, so it's kind of hard for me to see, but you can see, looks like a bunch of townhomes. I'm assuming at least that's what that's going to be, is a townhome community. I mean, there looks to be like a billion of them. There's some like tennis courts over there. Yeah, so they're building it up here. I guess it's a good sign for the city. But anyway, that is the Embassy Suites here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So until next time.